T-Bird, eat that food. And I mean eat it. T-Bird, right now. I put that trail mix in there especially for you. Excuse me? T-Bird! Eat the food and don't throw it. Eat it. You better do what I tell you. God damn you, bird! You know what you're gonna be? Do you want to know what you're gonna be? T-Bird sandwich. T-Bird sandwich. Yes, that's right. I want to put this here. Let me see. Let me see them. Let me see that. No. No, get up there. Get up there. You see this? You see this? No. Why don't you let me grab that breast? Why don't you let me grab them little breasts right there? Oh, that's meaty right there. I could make a nice sandwich with those. I could make a nice sandwich. Nice sandwich, T-Bird. Oh, look at those. Oh, yes. That's a lot of meat. That's a whole lot of meat. Because you're a bad bird. You're a bad bird. Oh, you little camera ham. You little ham. You think you're so funny? Yeah, look into the camera. Tell everybody how cool you are. Show everybody how cool you are. Funny bird. Oh, you think you're funny. Now you're laughing. I just heard you giggle. Everybody can see it too. Oh, that's funny. You're just trying to hold it in. Just let it out. Let it out if it's so damn funny. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat them breasts right there. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat them. It's gonna be mine. My dinner. Fucking bird.